Do you want to earn thousands of dollars from this work that you will do while sitting at home? If you are wondering how to do it, let's move on to our video. Thanks to the business model that I'm going to show you today, a lot of people earn thousands of dollars a month. I suggest you watch the video without skipping so that you don't get confused and understand it better. Welcome to this in-depth guide on creating AI-powered digital products with ChatGPT. Are you interested in leveraging the power of AI to create high-quality, engaging digital products? If so, you're in the right place. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create a wide range of digital products, including ebooks, courses, and more. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art AI tool that has been trained on a large dataset of text, allowing it to generate high-quality content in a variety of styles and formats. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or entrepreneur, ChatGPT can help you bring your ideas to life and reach a wider audience. Ebooks. Ebooks are a popular and effective way to share your knowledge and expertise with others. With the help of ChatGPT, you can easily create engaging and informative ebooks on a variety of topics. Whether you're writing about a specific subject or simply want to share your personal experiences, ChatGPT can help you create a professional quality ebook in no time. ChatGPT can assist in the creation of the content for your ebook, including the introduction, main body, and conclusion. You can also use ChatGPT to generate captions, subheadings, and bullet points, making it easier to structure your ebook in a clear and concise manner. Online courses. Online courses are a great way to share your expertise with a wider audience and earn money at the same time. With ChatGPT, you can easily create engaging and interactive online courses that will keep your students interested and motivated. ChatGPT can assist with the creation of video content for your course, including lectures, demonstrations, and interactive quizzes. You can also use ChatGPT to generate engaging and informative course materials, such as assignments and handouts. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can help you create a comprehensive and effective online learning experience. Chatbots. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular, with businesses and organizations of all sizes using them to provide customer support, answer questions, and complete transactions. With the help of ChatGPT, you can easily create conversational chatbots that can be integrated into websites and applications. ChatGPT can assist with the development of the conversation flow for your chatbot, allowing it to respond to user requests in a natural and intuitive manner. Whether you're looking to create a customer service chatbot or a chatbot that provides information on a specific topic, ChatGPT can help you bring your ideas to life. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants are becoming an increasingly popular way to manage personal and professional tasks. With the help of ChatGPT, you can easily create a virtual assistant that can assist you with a wide range of tasks. From setting reminders to completing purchases, ChatGPT can assist with the development of the conversation flow for your virtual assistant, allowing it to respond to user requests in a natural and intuitive manner. Whether you're looking for help with personal tasks or need an AI-powered assistant for your business, ChatGPT can help you bring your ideas to life. Knowledge bases. Knowledge bases are a valuable resource for businesses and organizations, providing quick and easy access to information on a particular subject. With the help of ChatGPT, you can easily create comprehensive knowledge bases on a variety of topics. ChatGPT can assist with the creation of the content for your knowledge base, including articles, FAQs, and tutorials. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can help you create a knowledge base that is accurate, up-to-date, and easy to navigate. Whether you're looking to create a knowledge base for your business or simply want to share your expertise with others, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating AI-powered digital products, including ebooks, online courses, chatbots, virtual assistants, and knowledge bases. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or entrepreneur, ChatGPT can help you bring your ideas to life and reach a wider audience. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT is the perfect tool for creating high-quality, engaging digital products that will keep your audience interested and engaged. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about ChatGPT, be sure to leave a comment below. We are actually showing you many money-making ways that have not yet been shown to you for free on our channel. If you want more ways to make money in this way, you can take a look at our channel. I would like to note that this is all from us for today. If you liked our video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for free. In the comments section, which is the most important thing for me, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for the country where you live. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. See you in other videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.